Hello, here Al Nilein News as we cover the breaking news from Sudan.
Acting Undersecretary of the Federal Ministry of Health Dr. Muntasir Mohammed Osman met with a joint delegation from the UNHCR and the WHO to address the health situation in refugee camps and host communities focusing on Qadarif, Kassala and the White Nile states. The meeting discussed practical ways to support and improve essential healthcare services for both refugees and local residents around the camps. The sites also reviewed a strategic plan with the ministries calling on the UNHCR to expand its funding and support for health initiatives. WHO Country Representative to Sudan Dr. Shibul Sahbani stated that this joint effort aims to strengthen the overall health system by making the optimal use of available resources. He praised the Federal Ministries of Health and partners for their continuous coordination to mitigate the humanitarian impact on the region. Sudanese Undersecretary of Health Dr. Ali Babik Said Ahmed Mohammed met with Syrian Minister of Health Dr. Musab Al-Ali in Damascus to discuss enhancing bilateral cooperation in the health and pharmaceutical sectors. The meeting attended by the Secretary General of the National Medicines and Poisons Board, Dr. Mohammed Bashir Hassan Mohammed, and the Chargé d'Affaires of the Sudanese Embassy, focused on developing pharmaceutical cooperation, medicine import mechanisms, and medical missions. Both sides also explored expertise exchange in health cadre capacity building and discussed leveraging the expertise of Sudanese expatriate medical professionals to support the healthcare sector in both nations. Governor of North Kordofan State Abdul Khaliq Abdul Latif received a United Nations delegation led by the UN Resident Coordinator in Sudan Denise Brown to review the state's humanitarian and service conditions. The governor detailed the widespread violations and repeated drone strikes by the militia targeting service facilities in Obeid. He highlighted the growing influx of displaced persons into the city, which has placed immense pressure on water, health, and basic services. He noted that the state government is making intensive efforts to resolve the water crisis and upgrade basic services, calling for scaled-up international humanitarian interventions. Dr. Mohammed Ismail, North Kordofan's Humanitarian Aid Commissioner, added that the UN team met with the Commission to assess the damage inflicted on basic infrastructure by the rebel militia's shelling. He affirmed the Commission's full readiness to coordinate aid deliveries, noting that the UN delegation conducted field visits to several neighbors in Obeid to assess the situation on the ground.